Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobra Motorsport channel. Today I'm going to show you another accessory. It's quite affordable and it's great for those who are interested in buying a cost-effective upgrade for your cool car. It adds a touch of flair, and a lot of people are talking about the dynamic arrow, which is the running arrow. Here's an accessory that just arrived in this little box. It's not expensive and it's easy to install, which is something very important to stress. Inside it comes with a styrofoam, 2 pieces, and a plastic key, so we can assemble it, alright? I'm not going to film the installation because it's quite simple, but this one is the freeze that goes there. This little LED is for the Audi A3 side mirror. It comes in a transparent option like the factory original, but also has a black option. It is dark, so it will be very discreet. When it is lit up, it will show up yellow inside, and it will have a running arrow lighting up, alright? So it's the dynamic arrow that people know. It also comes with a connector. I don't know if it is possible to focus on it here for you, but it already comes with the little connector. So you can connect the original wire. Let me show the piece up close for you. In addition to the connector, it also comes with a spot for you to screw it in, which is one here, one on this side, and one on this side. It comes with 2 units, one for each side, right? Driver and passenger, so we already have both of them here, so we can proceed with the installation. I'm going to go do it. After the installation, I'm going to make a quick short video so you can see how the running arrow works and the quality of the product. When I return, I'll tell you if the installation was quick. Besides, I'm going to put a little shot of it working in slow motion and quickly to show you its finishing. It's going to look well finished and pretty. Alright guys, see you soon. I'll show you the result here.